Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to install Google Maps on your iPhone 11. So the first step is to open the App Store. And in the App Store, you want to tap on the search function and you want to type in Google Maps. Then search. You should see it listed in the search results. So tap on it to view the app details and confirm that it's by Google. And once you've confirmed that, you want to now tap on Get to start the installation process. You need to confirm using your Apple account password or Face ID. Then once you've confirmed, simply wait for the app to be installed on your phone. Once the app has been installed, you want to tap on Open to open it. And then once it's been opened, you need to give permissions such as access to your location, and then you need to sign in. So from here, you can now start using Google Maps on your iPhone 11. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.